Welcome back friends in our channel Art Life with Mohammed Shehzad. Today we are going to make a greeting card with the fish aquarium theme. For that we need cooling tool, glue, round dias and some multicolor strips. So first of all friends, as usual we will have to make the body part of the fish. For that we need two white strips of 297 mm and one blue strip of the 297 mm. We have to make it a tight roll. And put in the 30 mm round dia. To make the body of fish we have to put the glue and press little from the back side and also from the front. See, we make the body of the fish. Now we have to make the tail. For that we need 150 mm strip white, 150 mm strip blue, and we have to make the tight roll. And use the 17 mm round dia. Actually I don't have this size of dia in the ruler. We have to put the glue from the end and from the top side we have to press more and bend it like this. We need 3. I already make 2 before, just make one for you to show a sample. This now we have to make the eye. For that we need 2 strips, one black and one white, both are 70 mm length and 3 mm width. So we have to make it tight roll for giving it the shape of eye. Put the glue and we make the eye like this. Now we have to make the bubble, water bubble. For that we need white strip 150 mm. We have to make it also this one tight roll. And we need 3. One I make as a sample, the rest 2 I already made before. You can see. Now we have to make the plant, sea plant. For that we need 3 strips of 70. One is 100 and 2 are 70 mm. We have to make the tight. First we have to make the joint, then make the tight roll the size you want, like this, the upper one, like this. Done it. Now we have to make the part of body of fish. We need 7 mm round dia, 75 mm strip of yellow. We need 3 strips. Press from the top and also put inside from the middle side. Done. I already make 2 more here and one on the bottom. The yellow stone, for the same we need 75 mm strip. We have to do same strategy with 7 mm round and press from the both side. Give the shape of yellow stone or pearl. For the brown or black stone we need same strip 75 mm brown. Make it loose and press from the top and the bottom. Press also make a triangle shape. To this I already make one before. Now we have to make the green plant. We need 75 mm strip green. We have to make the tight roll from the opposite side to make the plants. This one and one is already made, and the yellow one is also same, this one. So friends, we make our stuff, all the stuff. So let's get started to put the stuff on the greeting card cover. So friends, let's get started to put the fish on the card. I'm not putting the glue with that because it's already take too much time and I don't want to make my video longer. As usual, I want to make you the samples in a quick way. So that's why I'm just keeping the stuff like this. One of the pearl here. So friends, we done it. I hope you like our video. If you like our video, please comment below the video, share the video and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon that can you find out from the below the video, and that will give it to you the notification whenever we upload a new video. So until next video friends, stay blessed, Allah Hafiz, and keep supporting our channel.